We are quickly becoming the number 2 startup capital of the world, just only after Silicon Valley. There's so much of funding available from venture capitalists, from private equity firms, angel investors, but you need to come up with that great idea. We are here to help. The first thing is you need to keep thinking what problem you're going to solve. Problem statement becomes important. The other day one of our guests was mentioning about few VIT Chennai students who came up with this washing machine which is run by a bicycle. You don't need electricity, you burn calories and you wash your clothes. So such innovative ideas could be patented. You can start your company while you are a student. You don't need to wait to graduate. We will help you get funding. We will help you patent your idea. We will provide you space. You can form a team. So all that is possible